Hi guys! My name is Julia and today I want to discuss with you the best gifts ideas for your moms. Make sure to share in the comments what do you give to your moms as a present. So, let's get the fact that our mothers are the most unique and beloved people for all of us. Of course, the best things we can give to them is our love, affection, attention, and care. But how can we please our mothers but with the material gifts? The first thing I would like to draw your attention to, this gift has a huge number of positive reviews. Thread Kids. I don't know if you've come across them, but I know a company which is called iTardy, which created an app for creating the string threads. And now I'm gonna show you. Let's have a look. You can order thread kits, which includes instructions, ecologically friendly materials. Let's have a look what we've got here. You can upload any of your favorite photos and make the painting with these black and white threads. Thanks to them, it can suit to any interior in your house, in your flat, everywhere. Thanks to its unique black and white color, now you can have a look at the painting which is ready. So, how do you like this thread kit? Well, imagine your mother's eyes opening and seeing what she loves every day and rejoices like a child. And it goes every single day. P.S. They have discounts on their website. The next gift is precious things. Here we are already talking about jewelry, accessories, and some stones. Luxury gifts were always perceived as a symbol of recognition and status of your mother. Of course, you should start with the taste of your mother. But it's not about the money. It's about the attitude towards your money through the gift. One more gift idea from me. The kerchief. You can wear it on your shoulders, you can tie it around your neck, and you can cover your head with it, like this. While you're watching this video, have you come up with any gift ideas for your moms? Write down in the comments down below. I'll be really glad to know what your ideas are. While you are commenting this video, I would like to share some more gift ideas. So you can go to the park with your mother, you can visit the art gallery, or you can go to the concert if your mother is into music. So let's combine the ideas of presenting the jewelries and presenting the music. So this is my +1 gift idea. You can listen to the music, put vinyl, and listen to the calmings of music with your mother, having dinner, discussing something, jibber-jabbering, etc. Write down in the comments if you like this video and share with your friends. I'm sure they will be really glad to get it because it's so helpful, right? Friends, it's time to say goodbye. I shared with you my vision of gifts for moms, but I want to know your suggestions and experiences in that topic.